Hey you guys, Trevor Cherry here at the Transformation Center by Body and Soul Fitness. Hope you guys are doing absolutely incredible today. What a beautiful, beautiful sunshine day today. Here with your weight loss tip of the week, and today we're going to be talking about change. Now, the absolute number one step in any type of change is, number one, are you ready to commit to yourself? All right, so when we're talking about weight loss, and what I mean by that is this goal for you or is it for someone else or something else? There are so many different expectations out there, so many different societal expectations of we should weigh this much, we should be in this size, we should look this particular way. But what do you think? That's the most important question, is what do you think? Are you satisfied and are you truly inspired, and do you love the way that you look, the way that you are, the way that you feel, or is that something that you want to change? Because if you're just worried about what other people think, who cares, all right? If you think a certain way about yourself and you're like, you know what, if I were able to work myself into this particular condition in terms of losing X pounds or being in this particular size or look this particular way, and that would enable me to go to the next level of me in terms of advancing yourself, then you've got something. But my question to you is, are you ready to commit to yourself? All right, if you said, yes, that is me, I know that when I do that, I am going to be committing to myself and I am going to be blasting myself into the next orbit of possibility for myself, not because of everyone else, all right, but because of me, then you have made that decision. Once you have gotten that commitment to yourself, then you're ready to take the next step, you guys. That's what I'm talking about, you guys. So nice short lesson today, but really great questions to ask yourself, you guys. Trevor Cherry here at the Transformation Center by Body and Soul Fitness. You guys have an outstanding, inspired rest of your day.